Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with some more Destashes. I am still cleaning out my craft room and would like these items to go to some new homes. So I have 4 lots for you in this video. The first 3 will be the same type of lot, and then the last one will be a little bit different. So let me get started. So as you know, for my Destashes, they are first come, first serve, US only, PayPal only, through friends and family. If you are interested in any of the lots, please go ahead and email me in the description box below. All the information will be down there. And I ask that you pay promptly because I really want to get these items out as soon as possible this week. So the first 3 lots will be pretty much the same. Only little bits here and there will differ, but they will be flower and lace lots. So here is flower and lace lot number 1. First, you will get this brand new package of these prima leaves and little berries in silver and gold. It's really pretty. You will also get some of these 49th and Market flowers in this really pretty like teal minty color. There's different sizes in there and some leaves as well. Okay, on to the flowers. Here is just a quick overview of the flowers that are included. Now for each one of these lots there are over 80 flowers, and except for these items up here, everything else is Wild Orchid Crafts. So you have a great mixture of sizes as well as types in an array of colors. They're so pretty. Hope you guys can see that. So those are the flowers in this lot. Okay, on to the laces. You will get 5 of these. It's a really good size doily in white. These came off of a blanket, I believe. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 5 of them. So you will get those as well as 5 of these smaller ones. In white as well. I'm throwing in some rosettes. So you will get 1 of each one of these colors. And this one is a slightly smaller one in the beige. You will get some white ones in different styles. So you will have lots of rosettes to play with. And for the laces, you will get this one. I believe it's about 2 yards, or it's at least a yard. It's this really pretty cream color Venice lace. You will also get this really dainty flower, and I believe there are 2 yards on here. I think there's a yard each of these. This one is like a minty blue. It's really pretty and thick. And this one is really thick as well. It's in a cream beige color. You will also get about 2 yards of this dainty trim in white. These pearls, I believe there's a yard here and a yard of this white flat lace. There's over a yard of this like daisy trim, which you can cut apart or use as a whole, and then about a yard of this flat lace. It's like an off-white color and has like a rose pattern on it. I believe there are at least over 10 yards of just laces alone, not including any of these rosettes and doilies, and then over 80 flowers, the loose flowers, and then packaged flowers. So this is the flower and lace lot number 1. This will be $42 shipped. Okay, here's flower and lace lot number 2. you will get these two packaged flowers. They're brand new. Also the same 49th and Market flowers package with the leaves. Here is an overview of the over 80 flowers you will get in this lot. Again, except for these on the right, everything else is Wild Orchid Crafts in different sizes and styles. This also has that cream Venice lace. I believe it's closer to 2 yards. That daisy trim. This is a really pretty white lace. Has detail on both edges. This is 2 yards. I believe this is a yard. I believe this is 2 or 3 yards of that same dainty flower lace. So you get a ton of that to play with. Here is a cream lace. This lace is so pretty. It's pretty thick and there's about a yard there. You will also get this cream teardrop embellishment. Here's another Venice lace that is cream. Here is a cream cotton lace. And then this white flat lace. You will also get these rosettes in these colors. Here is that smaller beige colored one. Here are the 4 different white rosettes, and again you'll get 5 of these white doilies and 5 of the larger, more intricate doilies. So this lot will be $42 shipped, just like the first one, and this is flower and lace lot number 2. Alright, so here is the final flower and lace lot. You will get that same white trim. You will get this sort of Chinese trim in white. It's so pretty. This Venice lace in white. And this cream cotton lace. And you can see there's quite a bit on each one of these. That same cream Venice lace. Here's another cream Venice lace. And the daisy trim. Here is another cream lace that is just a flat lace. And then the magenta pearls. Here is that cream or tan smaller rosette. You will get these 4 rosette colors. The 4 white rosettes. The 5 large doilies and the 5 smaller doilies in white. The same package of the 49th and Market flowers and leaves. You will get these 2 packages of these packaged flowers that are brand new. And here is an overview of the Wild Orchid Crafts flowers, and then just some Prima loose ones here. And these pearl stamens. So that is lot number 3 for the flower and lace lot. $42 shipped. Okay, and this is the final lot for this video. This is a nautical themed lot. It's actually a Prima lot. Let me go over the Prima items first. All of these items I did get for a specific project and I never used them. So these have never been used. This is from Frank Garcia's Saint-Tropez collection. I did tear some of these pages out thinking I was going to use it, and I actually never did. So these papers are really pretty, great for this time of season. This is the 8x8 pack and it comes with 30 sheets. Like I said, the pages are loose, but they have never been used. So this is the 8x8. You also get the 3x4 journaling cards. You get the sea-washed metal trinkets. Some of these just fell to the bottom, but these are brand new, super cute to add to your projects. You will also get a pack of the ephemera. This comes with the acetate as well as the cardstock. Here is what comes inside. Again, never used. This is the chipboard stickers. I just took the label off the top when I was storing them. And then here are some items I put together when I thought I was going to do this project. But you will get these seahorses and these anchors. A package of these charms. So there's a ship's wheel, a sailboat, and a anchor. You will also get these charms, these gold seahorses, and these have never been used. This one has different sea-themed critters on here. So there's octopus, there is a turtle, crab, and this has never been used. And I thought these colors just went really well with this collection, and I was planning on using them, but they're K & Company. These are some dimensional rosettes. Here are some dimensional flowers. And here are some like enamel shapes that are beach themed, which I think will go really nicely. So this is the Saint-Tropez Prima lot. I'm asking for $33 shipped for this lot. So let me know if you're interested in any of these lots, and I will talk to you soon in my next video. Bye, everyone.